Welcome to Mind Bloom. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
Have you ever wondered whether it's better to work out in the morning or in the evening? Fitness enthusiasts, trainers, and even scientific studies all weigh in, but the truth is, it depends on your goals, lifestyle, and body. In this video, we'll break down the pros and cons of morning workouts versus evening workouts, so you can decide which is best for you and maximize your results in 2025. Let's start with morning workouts. One of the biggest advantages of exercising in the morning is consistency. When you train first thing in the day, you finish your workout before distractions, meetings, or social plans can interfere. Morning workouts set a positive tone for the rest of the day. They boost energy, increase focus, and improve mood thanks to the release of endorphins and other feel-good hormones. There's also evidence that people who work out in the morning are more likely to stick to their routine long-term. A consistent schedule leads to better habit formation, which is crucial if your goal is to lose weight, build muscle, or maintain overall health. Another benefit of morning workouts is the potential for improved metabolism. Exercising on an empty stomach, or fasted cardio, can help your body burn fat more efficiently. Studies suggest that morning training may improve insulin sensitivity, which is great for controlling blood sugar and reducing the risk of metabolic diseases. Plus, starting your day with a workout often leads to healthier choices throughout the day. People are less likely to overeat or indulge in unhealthy snacks after a good morning session. However, morning workouts aren't perfect for everyone. For some, energy levels in the morning are low. Cortisol, the stress hormone, is naturally higher in the morning, which can make strength training or intense workouts feel harder. Your body temperature is also lower in the early hours, meaning muscles may be stiffer, increasing the risk of injury if proper warm-ups aren't performed. Additionally, if you're not naturally a morning person, forcing yourself to wake up early could make your workouts feel like a chore instead of an energizing start to the day. Now let's talk about evening workouts. One of the biggest benefits of training later in the day is peak performance. By evening, your body temperature is higher, muscles are warmer, reaction time is faster, and strength can peak. This means you can potentially lift heavier, sprint faster, and perform better overall. Evening workouts are ideal for people focused on performance gains, strength training, or high-intensity exercises. Evening workouts also help relieve the stress and mental fatigue accumulated throughout the day. After work or school, exercising can be a great way to decompress, improve mood, and enhance sleep quality, provided you finish your session a few hours before bedtime. Many studies show that people who exercise in the evening often report higher enjoyment and perceived energy, which can lead to more intense, satisfying workouts. But evening workouts come with their challenges too. They can be harder to maintain consistently because unexpected obligations, social events, or late work hours can interfere. Exercising too close to bedtime may also affect sleep quality for some people, as elevated heart rate and adrenaline can make falling asleep more difficult. That's why timing is key. Aim to finish your workout at least 2 to 3 hours before you plan to sleep. So, which is better, morning or evening workouts? The answer depends on your personal goals and lifestyle. If your goal is consistency and habit building, morning workouts are excellent. If your goal is performance and strength, evening workouts may be more effective. Both have benefits for fat loss, muscle gain, mental health, and overall fitness, so the best time is ultimately the time you can commit to consistently. Let's also consider another factor, nutrition. Morning workouts often happen in a fasted state, which can be good for fat loss but may limit high-intensity performance. Evening workouts allow you to fuel your body throughout the day, providing energy for more intense sessions. Pre- and post-workout nutrition matters more than the exact hour. Adequate protein, carbs, and hydration will amplify your results whether it's 6 a.m. or 6 p.m. Additionally, your chronotype, whether you're naturally a morning or evening person, plays a role. Early risers tend to have better adherence to morning workouts, while night owls perform better later in the day. Ignoring your body's natural rhythm can make exercise feel like a struggle, so listen to your energy peaks and plan accordingly. Another important point is social and environmental factors. Gyms are often less crowded in the early morning, which can mean shorter wait times and a more focused environment. In the evening, gyms may be busier, which could affect your routine, but some people thrive in a lively, social atmosphere. Similarly, outdoor workouts vary by season. Running or cycling in the cooler morning can feel better in summer, while in winter, warmer afternoon temperatures may be safer and more comfortable. Sleep also interacts with workout timing. Morning workouts can help regulate your circadian rhythm, promoting better sleep at night. On the other hand, evening workouts close to bedtime may delay sleep onset for some people. Balancing intensity, timing, and cool-down periods is key for evening sessions to avoid sleep disruption. Finally, remember that any movement is better than none. While the science shows subtle advantages for different times of day depending on your goals, the most important factor is consistency. Skipping workouts because the timing isn't perfect won't get you results. Choose a time that fits your schedule, energy levels, and lifestyle, and stick with it. That's the true secret to long-term success. In summary, morning workouts are great for building habits, boosting metabolism, and starting your day energized. Evening workouts are ideal for peak performance, strength gains, and stress relief. Consider your goals, chronotype, nutrition, and schedule. Most importantly, pick a time you can commit to consistently and make exercise a permanent part of your lifestyle. At the end of the day, the best workout time is the one you actually do.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.